Setting the admin hours. This feature on our platform will help you solve the timing problem by letting your customers to know about your working time and setting up a chatbot to respond to your customers while you are away. First, log into Kaojao and then choose the Manage Page and Auto Response System. Now, choose the page you want to set up the admin hours and then click on Manage. Now, go to Auto Replies option and click on Inbox Setup. You can specify your opening hours from the option below. Open 24 hours, closed. Specify the time. Moreover, you can customize the away messages for your customers to receive it if they contact you during the closing hours.